Happy birthday, Venice Claudette. Wow, grabe. 1-year-old ka na, no? So, ang bilis ng panahon.
Happy birthday, Venice! Paglaki mo, mapanood ba to, ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at makapagtapos na pag-aaral and ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo in life. Basta nandito na kami ni Mommy and Daddy and ate kuya para isupport ka. Love you!
Always remember, anak, that mahal ka namin, you are special, and you can do everything as you grow. So, keep shining, anak. Mommy, Daddy is always here for you, support you sa lahat ng mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. God bless you, anak, and I love you.
Kinuha ko na yung ibang gamit dito sa pangkat.
Hi, Venice. I'm your kuya si Yan. Sana maging mabait ka parang ako. Sana wag ka maging iyakan parang ate Maxine mo, sabay yung ate Kirsten mo. Sana mabait ka. I love you and I always protect you.
Sana at paglaki mo, ma-appreciate mo yung mga ginagawa namin para sa'yo. Love na love ka namin palagi. Dito kami lagi ng mga ates and kuyas mo para gabayan ka. And happy birthday. I love you.
Laki naman na iPad. Ganda? Oh, wow, pretty!
Heading out on our own with our hope in the cloud, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Happy birthday, Venice! Sana paglaki mo, maging mabait ka at matapos sa iyong pag-aaral at maging successful sa iyong trabaho mapapasukan. Yun lang!
Happy birthday, Venice! Sana lumaki kang mabait at sana matapos mo ang iyong pag-aaral. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Venice. I love you, Venice.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Happy birthday, Venice! Napakahalaga ng araw na to para sa'yo, and I'm really thankful sa parents mo na in-invite ako at ginawa pa akong ninong mo. So, wishing you na lumaki ka, na healthy, happy birthday, and wishing you all the best.
You're very lucky na nabigyan kayo ng mga malusog na anak.
Masunurin at may takot sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Happy birthday!
Go. All we